traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 23rd, and this is my recap of the top few videos of the day and the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full down analysis from this morning on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had a pretty good push down initially this morning from the PMI pound news, but then it almost instantly reversed. And if you'll notice the shape that it made, if you've been watching my videos for a while, I hope that you do notice this shape. 1, 2, 3 waves down, engulfing moves to the upside. All the higher time frames are telling you to look for longs because all the higher time frames are currently trending up. So yeah, definitely a very, very nice entry to go long for sure. I got my Fibonacci extension on here looking for areas of resistance. Definitely no sign of it being over yet. If and when it does make another pullback, guess what I'll be doing? I definitely won't be going short, but I'll be waiting for the end of the pullback, 3 waves down to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So we do have a little bit of news coming out. We have some Aussie news this evening or tomorrow morning, depending on where you are. We got Aussie cash rate, which they're not planning on lowering interest rates, but who knows? We got the press conference. We got somebody from Japan speaking, and then consumer confidence in the U.S. is probably the next thing that we'd have to look out for. The rest of this news is probably not really too big of a deal. So, but we do have a few things to keep an eye on tomorrow, especially the Aussie news. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.